$75 million was the settlement amount that Diageo had arrived with Mallya. The first tranche, $40 million, was paid to him in a particular JP Morgan bank account that he held in New York. So these details were furnished by Diageo before the DRT a few days back. So today the SBI Council moved applications before the court asking the JP Morgan bank to not disperse the amount and also ensure that they furnish the bank statements of Mallya. The court has taken cognizance of the seriousness of the matter and will direct JP Morgan Bank to not disperse the $40 million to Vijay Mallya. And in case Vijay Mallya has already withdrawn partial amount or the entire amount, where this funds diverted, those details will be accessed from the bank statements.
But does the Debt Recovery Tribunal believe that that 40 million tranche out of the 75 million that was already handed over to Vijay Mallya, which was deposited in this bank, the JP Morgan Bank, is still there? Do they still believe that Vijay Mallya has not yet, withdrawn that money?
It was on the Feb 26th that this transaction was carried out. 3-4 months into it, it's highly unlikely that Vijay Mallya wouldn't have withdrawn. But even if to know if the money was indeed withdrawn, the court will direct the bank to give the bank statements of this particular account. So those bank statements would really serve as a proof as to where the funds were diverted, and that will really be the next course of action to see how, if the money was diverted, how can those funds be attached before the court till all pending cases are heard. So this order will come into play with immediate effect till all cases that banks have filed before the court are not disposed of. So has the money been withdrawn by Mallya or not, we will not be able to know. But if they have been indeed withdrawn, the bank statement, remember, will play a very crucial role to know where the funds have been diverted.